Hi, my name's Tom Price. I'm a math teacher, and I want to change this country to the metric system. Why? Because two systems do not work. Our students cannot measure. We have two systems, and together they get confused. Like, for instance, is it logical to have two systems? Here's what happens every year in math class. Mr. Price, which side of the ruler do I use? They don't know which one to use. It's confusing. They also say things like this. My ruler has centimeters on it, but it doesn't have millimeters. Yes, it does. And you know what? The first mark past 1 would be 1.1. In the standard system, the first mark is not 1.1. Fractions are tougher. Is it logical to label everything twice? Why do we do this, America? We label things twice. Once in ounces, once in grams. Wasted time, wasted measuring, wasted ink. It already costs us. Some people say, but Mr. Price, it's going to cost us a lot of money. It already costs us. We have to do all these different things twice, and no one else does it. For instance, does it make any sense? Does it make any sense in track, let's say track, to have the running events in meters and the field events in standard? Does that make any sense? Obviously not. Two systems don't work. You know what? Neither one gets done very well. Our kids are taught both ways and they don't measure. For instance, on international contests, think about this. International contests, one of the areas that the United States is weak is measurement. I wonder why. We don't have a concept of metric system like everybody else does. Why is it so tough for standard? Now, before I forget, standard was better than some other things they had before that. Metric is better. One system is better. Based on 10, 3 major units, a bunch of prefixes, moving the decimal point, and they're all connected. Have you ever tried to teach 7th graders 5,280? Is that a good number to you? 5,280 feet in a mile. 3, 9, 16, 12, they're all different. Metric, 10, etc. Here's another thought for you. Special education students, the kids that really struggle in school. Why do we teach them two systems? If they're having trouble, why not just one? The easier one. I even get some comments from adults like, well, Mr. Price, you can't do that because the United States, we're, blah, 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 all this kind of things. The other countries do it. It is not a communist plot. Sometimes my friends or relatives, people I talk to say, it's a communist plot to try to take over the... They use the metric system because it's easier. That's why it's so easy to catch on. It's not, they don't hate America, it's because the metric system's easier. Speaking of other countries, immigrants that come here, why should we make them learn two systems? Everybody else, students will say, Mr. Price, you want the whole world to be metric? The world is metric. We're the ones that's out of step. We're the ones that are even stubborn and a little bit arrogant, doing it our way. By the way, it's not our way. It came from England. Which leads me to another point. What do you call it? We even have confusion there. Is it standard? Is it customary? Is it the English system? Is it the imperial system? We can't even agree on that. Well, why now? Why now? It's been going on for 30 years. Actually, it's been going on for longer than that. Do you know that Thomas Jefferson wanted this country to be metric 200 years ago? We didn't. Could have been like our money system. Could have been like, well, the time system isn't based on 10, but our money system, our number system, it's all based on 10. Why now? A couple reasons. One is we have all these standards and assessments. Standards and assessments. Let me give you an example. Nebraska standards. 8.3.1. By the end of 8th grade, students will select measurement tools and measure quantities for temperature, time, money, distance, angles, area, perimeter, volume, capacity, and weight mass in standard and metric system. You're supposed to do this twice. My job, math teachers should unite. Math teachers should be outraged. We have to teach twice, and they've got to be good at both, and guess what? They're not good at either one. Statistics and studies show that all the time. Why do we do this, America? Another reason we should change. The book, The World is Flat, Thomas Friedman. Heard him a year ago. America, international, global. We're the only ones left. Don't give me that thing about the two little countries somewhere. We're the only ones left. We could be more productive. We could be having a better educated citizens. We wouldn't have to waste time. We wouldn't have to waste time teaching it. We wouldn't have to waste time converting. Let's see, let's change all the measurements if we're doing international work from one to the other, and then we get them. Okay. Why not now? When will we change? Will we change when the market decides? When will that happen? We're a big enough country, it probably won't work. It'll change if people rise up. Come together with me, all the people that use metrics, science, medicine, pharmacy, veterinarians, anybody in the science fields, anybody that's using metric with international companies, etc. Math teachers, science teachers, educational people in general, government leaders, special ed, international, immigrants, we can do it. That's a big group. Help me change the country. We can do it. Grassroots Metric Campaign. See you on the web.